बात करेंगे, लेकिन मेरे साथ काफ़ी मेहमान हैं जो बैठे हैं, तो आप में से अगर किसी का सवाल है तो वो सवाल कर सकता है और किसी भी मेहमान से कोई भी सवाल आप पूछ सकते हैं।
My first question is to Hari Prasad sir. As forensic labs is having a major role to play in these new laws, so do states have ample forensic labs and their infrastructure? And what do you think? What's the new role of these forensic labs?
Okay. I will answer to this question as a continuation to my previous answer only. Madam, you were specifically asking about forensics lab.
Yes, sir.
So new law has been putting a lot of emphasis on scientific evidences as well as forensic evidences. जो भी offense है जिसमें punishment 7 साल से ऊपर है, forensic team has to mandatorily go. So obviously your question is right. जब ये more than 7 year punishment का offenses में, when this is being mandated, there is a huge load that is going on the forensics directorate also. So these has been duly considered, and even in that 6 months of preparatory phase which I have been saying, more than 64,000 investigative kits have been supplied to all our police stations, all our forensic sciences laboratories. Every district has a dedicated forensic science laboratory team. So whenever a case happens, the concerned investigating officer through our PCR makes a call to this forensic team. वो तुरंत पहुंच जाता है वहाँ पे. Then they do all the scientific examination, they lift the evidences and they send. And not just this, their responsibility doesn't end here. So once the forensic collected evidences, once it goes to the forensic science laboratory, one is in Jammu, one is in Kashmir, for their scientific examination. Now, even though law is not saying any specific time period for finalizing the result, JNK, the administration and the police is putting emphasis of getting that result within 15 days. And there are certain provisions in law where the report has to go in 2 weeks also. For example, in the case of a rape offense against a woman, so the medical examination of the lady has to be mandatorily conducted. In that case, the doctor has to be mandatorily give the report to the investigating officer in the first 14 days itself. This is written in law. So a lot of rights have been given in law, and small things which is not given in law has been taken care by the police department as well as the forensic directorate.
Thank you, sir. Sir, my second question is to Mudassir Yaqub sir. Sir, do these new laws reduce procedural hurdles and quickens the disposal of cases in courts?
जी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। असल में ये बहुत अच्छा सवाल है क्योंकि जो मैं तारिक साहब से कह रहा था कि आप मुझे वक्त कम दे रहे हैं, तो मैं अपनी बात को मज़ीद जो है उसके वजाहत कर सकता हूँ। देखिए, जो पुराने क़वानीन हैं वो पुराने ज़माने के लिए बने थे और जो हमारे नए क़वानीन हैं ये दौर जदीद के लिए बने हैं। तो यकीनन इसमें जैसा कि हम जानते हैं बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी जो कि पुराने क़ानून में वाकई में उन्हें हम हर्डल्स के नाम से वी कैन कॉल देम हर्डल्स एज यू राइटली सेड, उनको दूर किया गया है इस कानून में। जैसे कि पहले कानून में कोई हद मुकर्रर नहीं थी, जैसे कि अभी हम बात कर रहे थे, लेकिन आज की तारीख में हम देखते हैं कि हमारे पास हद मुकर्रर हैं कि तफ्तीश कितने दिनों में मुकम्मल होगी, चार्जशीट फ्रेम कब होगा और बाकी चीज़ें इनमें जो रखी गई हैं। और सबसे अच्छी बात इसमें ये रखी गई है कि इससे